Imagine a university where learning feels like innovation, your classroom is the world, and your ideas have the ability to change many lives. Welcome to Lovely Professional University, where education revolution is not coming, it's already here. So, what is this education revolution? What we are talking about education revolution. Hi, this is Kanika Sharma, assistant professor from School of Computer Application. Talking about the traditional education model where the students are simply coming to their places, they are going to study what is being offered to them, having no choices at all. For example, if the student have already studied that course, he has to study again in the coming semester. So, what the education revolution is bringing next to the student? So, education revolution is a model which is changing the student life beneficially. So, what we are offering, if a student has already done a course, whether via certification or hackathon, he can utilize that time in some other activities like starting up his venture, or he wants to opt for some research, he wants to go into the IPR, he can utilize that time into those activities rather than studying that course again. So, education revolution giving the student a chance to remove that repetition of the study. Moreover, in education revolution, students are not studying what is being offered to them. They are also the co-designer of their curriculum. Yes, you heard it right. We are providing the student enough right that they can design their curriculum to the current market needs. That means student gets to study what is aligned with the industry as well as with the global trends. Encourages students to take the responsibility of their learning without the fear of failure. So it promotes the mental wellness as well as it reduces the stress of the students for studying those courses repetitively. It will also provide more time to the students to focus on their personal growth, whether via it's their career orientation, whether via it's their hackathons, so that the time can be utilized by the students for their professional as well as personal growth. So let's take this initiative and in the LPU, which education revolution is also going on in 2025. We are more focused and oriented toward our education revolution model, and we are encouraging the students, and there is a valuable response and the feedback from the student that we are receiving in education revolution. So students, start your journey with this new phase of education revolution at Lovely Professional University. So we are welcoming you and here to help you in different phases of your educational life. So think big and dream big.